it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's Glossy box. So yes guys, today we are unboxing June's Glossy box. As you can see, I have not opened it yet. I do not know what I've got inside, well other than the sneak peek from last month. So let's just open it together and we'll see what we get. Okie, so goodness me. Let's open it up, and in here then we have our Glossy box. This month it is the traditional pink Glossy box. Last month was my first box and it was a special edition, so I got the animal print metallic-y box. But this is what Glossy box will usually look like. I think it's a lovely, beautiful pink box. Okay, so just before we open up and see what products that we get this month, Glossybox is a beauty subscription service. You can subscribe just 1 month at a time if you would like. That costs £10 and then £3.25 postage. Or if, like me, you have subscribed for 12 months, the box will only cost £8.50. And then the £3.25 postage. So you save £1.50 a month, which equates to more than a box a year. So, as you can see, this is our box. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. So, to start with, I always love these presentations, are really nice. We get a little leaflet that tells us about the products, and then inside this beautifully packaged box is our products. So, if I undo the beautiful ribbon and the nice little sticker, if I can, then I will give you a little quick sneaky peek at what's inside before I go through them one by one. So boom, that's our products. So, World of Beauty, I think that's the theme for this month's box. It's going to be like beauty products from around the globe. So I'm really looking forward to this one. Let's read the little write-up about the whole box and then go through the products one by one. So it says, this month we're bringing the world to you. Hailing products from LA, Dubai and Australia, our June edit features 5 essentials from far and wide. Without even having to leave the comfort of your own home, you can explore an unrivaled variety of makeup and skincare from across the globe. Of course, we've added some homegrown favourites in there too. There's a whole world of beauty waiting for you inside of your box, so let's take a peek. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the products that are in this little booklet one by one and let you know a little bit about them and things. I think with Glossy box, you more or less get the exact same things in everybody's box. There are some things sometimes that maybe you'll either get that or that, if you know what I mean. So like last month, there was different colours of the eyeliner that we got last month, or there was different types of the face masks. Okay, so our very first item then, and I'm really excited by this one, is from Huda Beauty. I actually don't own anything from Huda. I think she's fabulous and the products always look amazing, but this will actually be my first from Huda. So, it is a lifeliner in Very Vanta, and it says it's brought to you by the Iraqi-American beauty guru Huda Katan. This beautiful, I don't know where the word beautiful came from, this dual-ended eyeliner boasts a liquid liner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other to help you achieve the ultimate eye look. Better yet, both are waterproof, smudge-proof and really long-lasting. Sounds fab. Says glide the liquid side onto your lid to create a wing, then apply the pencil along the lash and waterline for extra drama. So the RRP on this one is £18. And it's a full-size item, so really, really nice. Let's have a little look. So, wow, it's actually really pretty. It's like a diamond shape. Ooh. I'm just going to try this on my hand and let you know. Oh, for some reason, I don't know why I thought that was going to be the pencil. Okay, so it might be one that you need a bit more product on. I'm not the best, I'll be honest, at putting on eyeliner. I'm hopeless with a winged look. I kind of got into it a little bit and then I got out of it. Yeah, I'm not the best. Oh, the pencil you pull. Okay, I see. Okay, so I'll show you those close up. But as you can see, you know, it looks like decent. Very black eyeliner, so fab. Okay then, so we will move on to our second item in this month's box, and it is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company. And it is their makeup removing cloths, and you get either one of 2 designs. So it says, inspired by the elegant style of the 1950s, the British brand, the Vintage Cosmetic Company, brings an eco-friendly, reusable makeup cloth that cleanses and exfoliates your skin too. Wet the cloth and glide the side with the short fibres over your skin to cleanse and remove makeup, or use the other side to exfoliate your complexion. No cleansing lotions required. So this retails at £7.99, and you either get, with the look of it, a zebra print or a leopard print. It's much the same as last one's box. I don't think there's anything on the box that hints at the colour of mine, so let's open up and find out. So in contrast, oh right, we get two in here. Okay, but in contrast to last one's box, then I have got the zebra print, and it's quite handy. It does tell you this side to exfoliate, this side to kind of remove. So they're really good. I feel like I've had quite a few kind of this similar type of a product in subscription boxes recently, but it's good sustainable stuff. It means I can take maybe a step away from like the cotton pads and things if I'm using things like this. So that's a really nice one, and like a little bit environmentally friendly, so that's nice. Okie dokie then, our third item in the box is from LA Splash Cosmetics, oh my goodness, and we've got a brush set. So let's read the little writing. It says, founded in the same city as Hollywood, you can be sure that LA Splash is all about glitz and glamour. That's why their two eyeshadow brushes are perfect for creating red carpet looks. Use the fluffy one to apply, blend and build your eyeshadow, then use the densely packed angled one to sweep eyeliner or smudge out your waterline. So these are, these retail at £15. This isn't a brand I've heard of, I will be perfectly honest with you. It's a nice thing to get a brand you've never tried before in these beauty boxes. I usually like a bigger makeup brush than what this one is, and I rarely use an eyeliner brush, although it seems like a good one, or it's something you could probably even use really on your brows or something. Makeup brushes always come in handy, especially eye ones, because they get dirty a lot. Although to be fair, I haven't really done any eye looks recently. It's with lockdown and things, I just haven't been doing them. Maybe this is kind of the kick up the bum to have a little go that I need. Okay, so our next item is from Model Co, and it is a liquid metal eyeshadow. Ta-da! So it says, coming to you from the land down under, this creamy liquid eyeshadow boasts highly pigmented formula that will coat your eyelids in an iridescent sparkly glow. Use the cushion top to apply along the lash line to create a precise winged eye, or sweep it across your whole lid to blend out for an overall glittery effect. So this one retails at £15. It's another full-size product, which is excellent. I'm going to have a little look and see what I think of it. So it's a kind of lovely goldy champagne-esque colour. Does it have it's called Champagne, so there we go. I was on the money with that one. Okay, so it comes like a little doe foot applicator. I'm just going to pop that on my hand also. It's a lovely metallic gold from what I can see. Yeah, it's got a nice like shimmer to it. It's quite a subtle one, and then when it catches the light, it's really pretty. So I quite like that. That's something I can definitely get some use out of. Okay then, so moving on to our fifth and final item in this month's box, we have a product from Natura, and it is the I was going to say it's their potato and parsley under eye mask, but the picture on the and information is different to what I have in my box. Okay, so I don't know if they've just put the wrong product or they've put the wrong card in. I don't know if people maybe have different ones or they ran out of the ones, but basically it's something from Natura, which was a potato and parsley under eye mask, which retails at £5.95. But I've got something from Botanical Beauty, and it's their Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So it is still some eye patches, it's just a completely different brand and product. So this one just says it's ideal for overworked and tired eyes that suits many late nights. It's got in there cucumber, rose extract, green tea and hyaluronic acid. So it says it's good for tired, overworked eyes, jet lag, ain't got any danger of that happening soon, and pre-party prep. Also ain't gonna have any parties soon, so, but you know, I definitely have some tired eyes. But it does have an expiry date on there that says it's best before the end of next June, so we've got a long time to use them. yeah, so I can't really tell you anything about the write-up because it's a completely different product on there. But, you know, it's something to go on my eyes, that's nice. Okay, so let's just take a little rundown of the products then that we have got this month. So we got the sneak peek from last month, which is the Huda Beauty eyeliner. Really excited to have some Huda Beauty. We got the face cloths, which are kind of really useful. Like I said, I do feel like I've got a lot of that type of thing recently, but still super useful. They will definitely come in handy. We also got some eyeshadow brushes, which I'm not in desperate need of, but it's always something that's nice to have. We have the liquid eyeshadow, which looks really, really nice. That's my kind of a thing. And we've got the eye patches, which are completely different to what was advertised in the brochure, but still, I will enjoy using those. So I'm quite happy with the box. It's something I've paid, what, less than £12 for? I think I've got a decent amount of things. I would pay more than that just for that eyeliner, so perfect. Okay, so just before I go, I am going to show you the sneak peek that we get for next month's box on the back. So if you don't want to know that now, look away. So let's see. So our July box will be filled with tropical vibes to give you that aloha feeling no matter where you spend the summer. It's going to be at home for pretty much everybody. You can expect colourful, nourishing products, including a multitasking lip and cheek balm from the Beauty Crop. Formulated with coconut and apricot oils, its creamy texture and will condition and hydrate your pout while also adding a fresh rosy flush to your complexion. So it looks like it's a lovely little pot of stuff that you can put on your lips or on your cheeks, just somewhere to add a little pop of colour, I think. That'll be nice. I've had some Beauty Crop products before in previous boxes. I think it was the Birchbox ones, and I think they were alright from what I can remember. I don't remember them being standout products, but I'll certainly happily give this one a try. So guys, that was this week's video. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the box. Are you happy with it if you've got it? Or if you haven't got it, does it make you want to sign up? Let me know what you think. Drop me that comment below. And if you haven't already, please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. That would be fab. And then also, please could you subscribe, because I've got videos coming as often as I can. I try to do Tuesday, Thursdays and a face mask Friday. So if you're interested, please subscribe. And until next time then guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.